Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
OnePlus 13S might just be the perfect fit. With flagship
Sometimes you
performance,
just gotta
impressive battery life, and a sleek, small screen
There's
design, it
something
brings a lot to the
that'll give
table,
you
especially if you're not chasing pro-level photography.
something
But here's the
that'll
twist:
have what you
the OnePlus
need.
13S is actually a
What you
rebranded version
need.
of the OnePlus 13.
We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Stick around to the end. I want to hear our final words. A quick shout out to my tech partners in China for sharing this video. Big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the exciting quick look at the OnePlus 13S manually, or up to 350 nits with auto brightness, ensuring clear visibility even in direct sunlight. The OnePlus 13S packs Android's top-tier performance trio: the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, more than enough for daily use in gaming. In our Genshin Impact test, 15 minutes daily, it delivered smooth visuals with only mild warmth and no performance hiccups. If thermal limits kick in, it smartly locks to 45 FPS without erratic drops, keeping gameplay stable. With fast response times, fluid animations, and excellent frame stability, the 13S stands out as the most powerful compact phone we've tested so far. Compared to the Find X8, Vivo 200 Pro Mini, and Xiaomi 15, it's currently our top pick for smooth performance. Stay tuned for our full outdoor comparison. ColorOS 15 recently introduced a stunning new stacked card animation for background tasks. It's smooth, satisfying, and visually impressive. However, there are two issues on the OnePlus 13S that seem rooted in ColorOS itself. First, entering system settings via the top right icon in the control center causes consistent frame drops, a bug also seen on the Find X8 and Ace 5 series. This has persisted across versions 15.0 to 15.2, possibly due to incomplete LTPO optimization. Second, as noted in our Find X8 review, there's still no animation when swiping a horizontal app into a small window, odd given ColorOS's frequent updates. It raises questions about Oppo's priorities: polishing visuals versus fixing core issues. That said, system fluidity and stability remain excellent overall. Plus, with OnePlus promising 4 major Android updates over 5 years, the 13S looks well equipped for the long run. The OnePlus 13S packs a massive 6260 mAh battery, the largest in any 6.3-inch phone to date. With typical use, music, videos, reading, light gaming, it lasts a full day with 5 hours of screen time and still retains 23% battery. Impressive endurance. It supports 80 watts wired charging, delivering 33% in 15 minutes and a full charge in about an hour. While there's no wireless charging, the speed is solid and reliable for daily needs. Now let's talk about the camera. OnePlus took a bold step with the 13S, ditching the ultra-wide lens in favor of a 2x telephoto, reflecting user demand. While this shift prioritizes portrait and zoom shots, the new lens lacks optical stabilization, limiting its versatility and image quality. It raises a key question: Is sacrificing a wide-angle view for mid-zoom and potential macro shots really worth it? Let us know what you think. Two peripheral features on the OnePlus 13S are worth noting. First, the 0809A vibration motor offers average feedback, not as refined as the X8S. Second, the multifunction shortcut key is the same as the X8S, offering plenty of features, but the interaction feels inconsistent. Most actions require a long press, while the flashlight activates with a single tap, making accidental touches more likely. A customizable option would enhance usability, like launching apps or payment codes, similar to fingerprint Quick Start. The physical button's tactile feedback is precise and easy to use blindly, but there's still room for improvement. The OnePlus 13S delivers excellent battery life, a compact feel, and flagship-level performance, perfectly capable for gaming. If you prefer small screen phones and don't prioritize camera performance, it's a strong recommendation. It feels like a toned-down Find X8S in imaging, but upgraded in battery. X8S Quiet would be a fitting name.